what is the best way to spray and get rid of what I call mulberry trees?
Okay.
Their roots will sprout all over the yard, and I have a concrete ditch in my backyard that I can't get into anymore to trim them back because of age. And this is Larry. So he wants to get rid of what he calls mulberry trees, okay? And he wants to spray them. So what do you think about that?
Well, a lot of times though, they had a tree there and begin to sprout up all around there.
Okay.
Probably get something like a stump root right away or something, just touch it on there.
Okay.
And spread it on there and see how they're doing. How they doing there. You might keep doing it more than one time.
Sure.
Or one time not going to do that. You know, they don't come back again. Just keep putting on that. You got to have some leaves on there, little growth on there, for you can see it for it to go down into the root system.
Okay.
But you might want to try doing that on there, and that will help some there. But you got to constantly do that. You're not going to do that one time and say it's done though.
Right.
It's going to take some time now.
Don't take some time.
Yeah, it'll take some time. Yeah. Don't think you're going to do it overnight. Go ahead in my yard, I do the same thing. Not mulberry, but I have little things sprout up like that.
Okay. So cut it back.
Cut it back.
All right. Something else you could do too
let
now,
it grow.
if you want to, you can actually paint a 41% solution of a glyphosate.
Okay.
Right. The turgor pressure will pull it down, you know, down into the roots.
Yeah.
It'll take a little time.
Take some time.
You
Yeah.
can do it. You know, you can do it that way.
And also,
but you definitely need to, you know, cut it back.
And also
need some
growth on that too. The little leaves on there.
Just a little bit.
A little bit on there.
Just a little bit.
For it to take down through there.
Right, right.
But you got to constantly keep doing that.
You got to keep doing it. That's for sure. You got to starve it out, the carbohydrates.
And try to spray where you spray in a ditch, something like that. Try to spray somewhere that they know it's not going to rain down there. They're not going to rain when we try to get into the drainage system.
Okay. Yeah. See, I wouldn't spray.
I would. Yeah.
Yeah. I would just paint.
Paint. That'd be good. Yeah.
You know, I just paint that 41% solution of glyphosate or whatever you want to use. You know, to go ahead and help that stump rot out.
Stump rot out,
to starve of its carbohydrates. Yeah, I wouldn't spray.
Yeah, especially by that drainage ditch too. Yeah, that could be something to think about too.
That's exactly right. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.